Godfather of marketing, Seth Godin, once said, "People spend way too much time on their logo."
Companies spend way too much time on their logo.
That's exactly why a logo has to be appropriate, distinctive, and memorable, and simple. You can go on and watch 3 Golden Rules for Logo Design by Sagi Habib. People tend to think that their logo has to tell the whole story of their business, and they try to spend a ridiculous amount of time on designing their logo. But just because of a logo that you think looks great, people won't pay extra to get your product or service. Because people are not there to buy your logo, but your product or service. Seth Godin took a great example of a brand comparing Nike to Hyatt.
If Nike opened a hotel, I think we would be able to guess pretty accurately what it would be. If Hyatt came out with sneakers, we'd have no clue, because Hyatt doesn't have a brand. They have a logo.
Unless you have something different to show, you just have commodity that costs extra.
If I swapped the signs on a hotel at that price point, couldn't tell. If you were in a Marriott, if you were in a Hilton, if you were in a Hyatt.
If the people are willing to pay extra, then you have a brand. When you have a brand, people know what to expect when they come to you next time. Logo alone is not the brand. It's the value you create around it. Subscribe for more.